Welcome back to SMC Tutors. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to spot fake Wiki Cat token, Wiki Cat community, and identifying the fraudulent schemes pretending to be affiliated with Wiki Cat. Before we continue, if you find our content helpful, do all the buy educational token Wiki Cat. It is built on the Binance Smart Chain, and the contract address is in the description of this video. Recently, reports have surfaced about fraudulent schemes operating under the name Wiki Cat while falsely claiming affiliation with Wiki Cat and the ecosystem. And these individuals, they get to convince people that Wikicat is some form of investment platform offering extraordinary rewards, which this is false. Wikicat is a crypto project and it is not an investment fund. It does not guarantee profit and it does not promise luxury rewards. And it does not operate recruitment based investment programs. For this video, we'll be using the screen as a tool to watch and catch on these schemes. So I'll put my deck screener and this is my search bar and I search for Wiki Cat. Now there's a lot of Wiki Cat here, but particularly let's go to this Wiki Cat on base. First of all, Wiki Cat is not launched on base. Wiki Cat is only on Binance Smart Chain. And you could see this Wiki Cat, there is no socials affiliated with it. And the market cap is alright, and the market cap is just 86k with liquidity 51k, and that's it. This is not the real Wiki Cat. You could also see a Wiki Cat here on Uniswap. Wiki Cat slash on Uniswap. Most importantly, I want to show you is the Ethereum based Wiki Cat. Where is it? And you should also take note, okay? You should also take note of the this is a Wiki Cat on, so not affiliated with Wiki Cat. Let's see. Now this is another Wiki Cat. Probably they use socials attached to here on the screen to make it look real. And this pair was created 1 month 23 days ago. Don't get to buy this. It has very good. Do not get to attempt to buy that. Let us get to see another one. Alright, this guy here, Wiki Cat slash Ethereum. With $2 liquidity that is locked and no volume, nothing. Don't get to buy this. It's going for it. Launched 9 months 20 days ago. In fact, these are the things you need to look out for. Wiki Cats that even promise you returns, and you could find them mostly on this is a fake Telegram. This is a fake Telegram community that are doing Wiki Cat giveaway. Anytime you get to see these guys, block them off. Report and block them off. Wiki Cat is never doing a community airdrop or anything. Verify official communication channels, because scammers often create fake Telegram groups, fake WhatsApp groups, fake Facebook pages, fake X accounts, fake community chats. Before believing an announcement, verify through official Wiki Cat communication channels and watch out for their whole Ponzi scheme characteristics, because they follow the same pattern: high return, little recruitment rewards, bonus payouts for inviting others, locked investment plans, fixed profit percentage. And always be careful of community pressure, because scammers often use social pressure. Join before it's too late. Everyone is making money. You miss out. Limited slot available. Act now. Most importantly, verify on-chain data. Like I said, get the Wiki Cat contract address from the Wiki Cat website. In fact, from the SMC DAO community itself, the official contract address, and you're good to go. You want to get by your Wiki Cat. And in case someone gets to approach you about representing Wiki Cat and offers you a lot of all these shiny things, please do not send them money. Do not share your personal information, and do not recruit others. And you could get a report to the local authority that someone wants to scam you. So before interacting any Wiki Cat related opportunity, ask yourself, Is this the official contract? Was the information posted through official channels? Is anyone guaranteeing profit? Is recruitment required? Does the offer sound realistic? And if any answer raises concern, stop and verify before proceeding. Always remember Wiki Cat is a cryptocurrency project. It's not an investment fund. It does not guarantee you returns and does not promise you any foreign trips. Trust verification and trust on chain data and trust official communication channels. If this tutorial video helped you, make sure you like the video, share with someone holding WikiCat or someone interested in getting WikiCat. Drop a comment below. Subscribe to SMC Tutorial for more tutorials as this. Thank you for watching. I'll get to see you in the next one.